Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, this is my Asus laptop and it has a rebooting error. I will be showing you how you can fix that. Let me show you the error first. So I am turning on the power. So this is the error. It is showing preparing and restarting. See again, it is turning on and as you can see that again a same message, preparing, restarting, and it keeps on doing the same thing. And so I will be showing you how you can fix that. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So now you have to press the first option is you can turn off and press the power button for at least 10 seconds when the power is off. So let's do that. So it is still doing that. Keep on pressing. Just hold the button for at least 15 seconds. So when there is no power, as you can see that, so there is no power. So now you can start again. So when the laptop is turning on, so keep pressing F2 keys for few times. See, keep pressing like this. And so now you will get this screen. This is the Aptio setup utility screen. So as you can see that, so then with the cursor key, so you can move to the save and exit window. See, you can see that. And then you can go down and go to the restore defaults. So click on that. See, it is saying load optimized defaults. So click yes. Okay. And then you go up and save changes and exit. Click on that, saying save configuration and exit. Say yes. So it is all done.